Alright, we're doing a bit of a complicated look, so go ahead and start with some green and just put it on the inner third of your crochet like this. And take it into this part of the crease and blend them together. We're going to go into a blue and just transition all of that in with purple and just blend it into that blue and kind of blend into that purple. Then you're just going to take a Q-tip with some makeup remover and clean up, cut your crease out. My eyelid is a little tender. For the next part of this look, you're just going to go in and put the white eyeliner like I did and cut your crease. Alright, so next you're just going to take this mint color and do the inner corner, and we're going to do a gradient all the way across the colors, so I'm not going to come in and talk through all of them, I'm just going to pop through. And we're going to go in with the same gradient that we did up here and do the wing liner, so I'll be back when it's completed. Then you're just going to take and you're going to outline your wing. Next I'm going to take this and just do some polka dots up on the top and down in the liner. I'll be right back. We're going to do like bigger end. And then I'm just going to go put some rhinestones in here. I'm going to do a smaller set up in here, and I'm going to do a few on the liner. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I just added some mascara and some lashes. I like it. I think it's pretty. Thanks for watching.